How to make money on YouTube as a vlogger. In this video, we're going to teach you how to make money as a vlogger. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms on the internet, and it can be a great way to make money. You don't have to be a superstar writer or videographer to make money with YouTube. All you need is some basic skills and a little creativity. In this video, we are going to show you how easy it is to start making money from your videos. So what are you waiting for? Start filming and start making money today. Why should you start vlogging? In our digital world, vlogging can be a lucrative career that comes with a set of benefits. First of all, it's a great way to build an audience around your interests. Whether you're passionate about fashion, beauty, gaming, or something else entirely, vlogging gives you a platform to share your passions with the world. Not only can vlogging be profitable, but it's also a fun and creative outlet. If you love making videos and connecting with people, vlogging is definitely worth the effort. How to start a vlog. Whether you start vlogging for money or as a hobby, here are a few steps you might want to consider before shooting your video. Identify your niche. The first step in becoming a successful vlogger is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics do you enjoy discussing? Although it's not required to be an expert, make sure you're at least a bit familiar with the subject matter. If you're not sure what you want your vlog to be about, try brainstorming a list of potential topics. Get inspiration from other vloggers. A great way to come up with video ideas is to watch other vloggers in your niche. See what's trending and how these creators structure their content. If you find a vlogger whose style you like, try emulating their format. Get acquainted with the platform. Before you start shooting your video, it's important to get familiar with the platform you'll be using to host your content. As of today, YouTube is the most popular video sharing site with more than 1 billion users uploading videos every minute. You can sign up for this platform entirely for free and start posting immediately. Thanks to their popularity, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are also excellent platforms for beginner vloggers. Invest in quality equipment. When you're first starting out, you don't need to invest in the most expensive equipment. But it's important to have a few items to ensure good video quality. Even though it's not necessary to purchase a professional grade of camera, you want to shoot clear HD video. A good microphone and basic lighting gear can also make a big difference in how your videos will look. The last thing you need is to upload low-quality videos with terrible sound and light. In addition, consider purchasing a tripod to keep your camera steady while you shoot. Nothing's worse than watching a shaky video, so a tripod will help ensure your videos are smooth and professional looking. Record and edit your vlog. Now that you have all the equipment you need, it's time to start recording your vlog. If you're a beginner, don't worry about making perfect videos, just focus on getting comfortable in front of the camera and creating content you're proud of. Once you have your raw footage, it's time to start editing. Again, you don't need to be a professional editor to create great vlogs. In fact, there are a variety of affordable and easy-to-use video editing programs on the market. Upload and optimize your vlog. Now your video is ready to go. If you're thinking about vlogging on YouTube, make sure to fill in the title, description, and tags fields. This will help ensure your video comes up in relevant searches. You should also create a custom thumbnail for your video. A high-quality thumbnail will help entice users to click on your video. Promote your vlog. If you want to make money vlogging, promoting your content is the best way to do so. First, make sure to share your videos on social media. This is a great way to reach new audiences and get more people to watch your videos. Collaborating with other vloggers and running ads are also great ways to engage with your audience and earn views and revenue from your content. Keep track of your performance. Unfortunately, your vlogging journey doesn't stop here. If you want your vlog to be successful, it's important to track its performance. Check how many views your videos are getting and how much revenue you're generating. For YouTube, you can check your channel analytics. As for other video platforms, you can use third-party tools such as Google Analytics to track your performance. Thanks to these metrics, you can see what's working and what's not, and adjust your vlogging strategy accordingly. How to make money as a vlogger. Can you generate revenue from uploading vlogs alone? Many of the most popular content creators earn their vlogging income from additional sources. Let's take a closer look. YouTube ads. As a YouTube vlogger, you can make money through YouTube ads. Thanks to this feature, you can run pre-roll, mid-roll, or post-roll ads on your videos. YouTube video ads will pay you based on how many views your video gets. Of course, the more views you have, the more money you can make. Sell merchandise. If you have a loyal following, you can sell merchandise to your fans. This can be anything from t-shirts to coffee mugs. You can choose to create your website or sell your products through a third-party platform like Etsy. Sponsored posts. Most of the time, brands ask content creators to review or make a video about a product or service in exchange for payment. Affiliate links. Including affiliate links in your videos and posts is another common way of earning revenue. Simply put, when someone clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. Key takeaways. Before shooting your vlog, make sure to find your niche, familiarize yourself with the platform, and invest in high-quality gear. After uploading your vlog, remember to promote it and track your performance. You can earn more revenue from your vlog thanks to YouTube ads, merchandise, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.